Hi, myself Rohan. The Ouroboros is an educational community learning platform. We help you to cross the boundaries of your classroom.
Hi, this is Prem. Our motto is to train and help as many as possible candidates to grow them, and also to help them to grow in their respective domains. We also believe in giving personal mentorships to each and every candidate for the betterment of their future.
Hey, myself Abhishek.
Hi, myself Shweta.
Hey, this is Sahil. By choosing the Ouroboros, you will get trained by qualified and experienced industry level faculty, and also you will get hands-on experience on industry level projects.
Not only this, but we also have fun activities, group discussions, and debates, which can help you to improve in your communication skills.
We help you to stand out from the crowd, providing you internship opportunities. We also help you for building resumes for your dream company. Our 24-hour community support helps to resolve each and every problem.
We serve purpose, quality education, mentorship, internships, and projects. To get tech information, follow us on Instagram. For getting latest updates of webinars and sessions, connect us on LinkedIn. For sessions and notes, join us on Discord. Visit our website and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we provide everything you need.